Hello.
Excuse me,
Yes, what can I do for you?
may I know your name, please?
Yes, of course. My name is Sakshi and your name?
My name is Sanjana.
Nice to meet you, Sanjana.
Me too. How are you, Sakshi?
I'm fine and what about you?
I'm super fine.
Where do you live, Sanjana?
I live at Kursipar, and you?
I'm from Gatwara. Which class do you read?
I I study in class 11, and you?
I study in class 12th. What's your subject?
My subject is bio, and your subject?
My subject is maths.
What is your future planning, Sakshi?
I want to become an IAS officer and you?
I want to become bank manager.
Yes. What about your family?
There are six members in my family: my mother, my grandparents, and two brothers, and me. And your family members?
There are four members in my family. My father is farmer and my mother is a housewife and my brother is student.
What is your hobbies?
My hobby is writing poetry.
Oh.
And your hobby?
My hobbies are playing cricket and badminton.
Yes. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Monica. And your best friend?
My friend is Lakshmi. How do you feel in this class?
I feel better in this class.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Kushwaha sir, HR Kushwaha sir.
Okay. Why?
Because he's a good person, and he's a good teacher and motivator.
Yes.
And your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Purnima ma'am.
Why?
She is a good teacher and very intelligent. She has a good knowledge of computer.
Oh, oh, I see. Sorry, Sakshi, I'm getting late. May I go?
Yes. See you. Bye.
See you. Bye.